Once upon a time, in a sunny savannah, lived a curious little aardvark named Arnold. Arnold loved exploring the African wilderness, digging burrows, and meeting new friends. One day, Arnold found a strange, shining object near his home. It was a seed from a magical tree, shimmering with a mysterious aura. Arnold picked it up and wondered what it was. He decided to plant the seed, watered it carefully, and waited. Days went by, and the seed began to grow. Arnold could hardly believe his eyes when a beautiful tree sprouted, taller than anything he'd ever seen. The tree was so beautiful that it caught the attention of all the animals in the savannah. They gathered around, marveling at its beauty. But one creature, a greedy hyena named Hugo, had a different plan. Hugo was determined to climb the tree and eat the fruit. He tried and tried, but no matter how hard he pushed, he couldn't reach the top. Arnold, seeing Hugo's struggle, felt a pang of sympathy. Arnold had an idea. He said, "Hugo, you're too heavy to climb. Let me help you. Together, we can reach the fruit." Hugo agreed, grateful for Arnold's kindness. Together, Arnold and Hugo climbed the tree. They reached the top, and to their surprise, the fruit wasn't a tasty treat. Instead, it was a small, golden bell. The bell rang beautifully, filling the air with magic. The bell's magic spread throughout the savannah, bringing harmony and joy to all the animals. Arnold and Hugo learned that kindness can overcome even the biggest obstacles. From that day on, they became the best of friends, cherishing the magical bond they shared. And so, the story of Arnold and Hugo serves as a reminder that kindness is the most powerful force. It can turn strangers into friends, and even help us reach the unreachable. Always choose kindness, and the magic will follow.